Next question. The curved surface area of right circular cone of height 15 centimeter and the base diameter is 16 centimeter is dash. Now its solution. Height is given 15 centimeter. Then radius R is diameter 16 by 2. Dia equal to 16 by 2. Now radius R equal to 8. So radius 8. Now L is, we find out L. So root of h square plus r square is 15 square plus 8 square. Root of equal to 225. 15 into 15, 225 into 64 plus 64. Root of is equal to 1. Root of 289. Root of 289 is 17. Therefore, L is 17. The circular surface area. The circular surface area of curved surface area is, therefore, curved surface area. Curved surface area is area of cone. The question is the curved surface area of cone. So cone is, its formula is pi r L. Pi into r, 8 into 17. Its answer is 17 into 8. 56. 8 ones are 8. 8 5 13. So its answer is 136 pi. That's all. Now once again, the curved surface area of right circular cone of height 15 centimeter and base diameter 16 centimeter is dash. Solution: height 15 centimeter, radius we find out, diameter is 16, so radius is 8. Then length L equal to h square plus r square. 15 square plus 8 square. Root of 15 square plus 8 square. So 225 plus 64, 289. So L equal to 17. Its figure is we find out this circular cone pi 136 pi. Its radius is 8. H, this height is given 15 centimeter. That's all.